Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm trying a new recipe for cheese bread in the bread maker. So we'll see how that goes. First of all, I do have the pan already in here, and the first item that we add is 1 cup of warm, not too hot, but good and warm, water. And the next ingredient is 1/2 cup of unsalted butter melted. So let me grab that from the stove. Try and get all them yummies out of there. And next up is 1½ teaspoon of salt. And I've measured that out already here in the bowl. And then 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. And I'm just going to put that in the opposite corner as the salt. The cheese goes in, 2 cups of shredded cheese, and we like the medium cheddar. So that goes right on top of the water. And then 3 cups of bread flour. Oh, let me grab. And this just goes in on top of the cheese. Try not to dump it all at once because it dumps all over. And then I just make a little indentation in the middle of the flour, and we're going to add 1½ teaspoons of bread machine rapid rise yeast. So you can get that in packets, but I usually buy it in the jar. And just so you can see, this is what it looks like. You need to make sure it's the bread machine rapid rise. Okay, the loaf is done. Let's see if I can't get it out of here. Smells really good. Yes. Well, it looks like the top fell down a little bit, but it does smell good. We'll try the taste test here in just a little bit. Well, it's the next day, and I wanted to share the bread with you. So this is the size of my pan lengthwise, and usually a 2-pound loaf will come out over the top. This one did not. And it actually looks like the top was kind of flat, which, you know, could be good or bad. Now, this is the length of the loaf minus 2 pieces. So we had bread, of course, when it was warm last night. So my only complaint would be that a 2-pound loaf to me should be longer than this. But flavor-wise, texture-wise, it was perfect. I didn't have big chunks of cheese, but you could have the cheese flavor, which I was surprised there was no chunks because of 2 cups of cheese in this recipe. But it was light, it was airy, it was a great texture. And I did have this on medium, so there is a little bit thicker skin. If you want something a little softer, you would just choose light instead of the medium mode. So, if you're enjoying this type of videos, please give us a thumbs up. subscribe, and share our videos. It helps us to continue to bring content to you. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.